Hey guys, Mubarak here of In Penny Stock. Hope you're doing well. Wanted to do a remake of the initial beginner modules that I had created almost a half decade ago, and just kind of update you guys. I've been going through the videos, getting feedback, and even though I know a lot of you guys have probably been through the content, I just want to make it for any new people. The softwares have been updated. The stock market is in an aggressive bull market right now. Trump's in the presidency. There's a lot of changes that have happened, and even though the general fundamentals are the same, and that's why my videos have been able to last so long, I wanted to just give a cool updated video of going over what are penny stocks, why are they relevant in 2018, the pros and cons, and some intro to some of the different softwares I use. So if you're new to penny stocks, don't worry, this video is perfect for you to begin. So let me just go ahead and get started. So a penny stock is any stock that's traded on the stock market for under $5. That's generally, the SEC definition and how people treat it. Now, the thing is, if you guys have watched Wolf of Wall Street, or if you guys have just heard of penny stocks, a lot of you guys might know people that got burned by trading or, invested in a penny stock and lost their money. And I'll be able to explain exactly why that happened. And it's really just due to lack of carefulness and due diligence. So, a stock and a penny stock is actually a piece of a company. So as you can see here on the screen, right, this is a software that I use to take a look at the stock market right now. It's the reason these numbers are changing is because the stock market is live. I just made a nice profitable trade, so I thought I'd actually go ahead and help other people out. I mean, fundamentally, the stock market has changed my life and allowed me to engage in a life of comfort and flexibility that I never imagined without it. So I definitely want to have this opportunity available to other people, and if it just consists of me teaching what I've learned over the last almost decade now of trading, both virtual and real trading, then I would love to do that. Currently have over 40,000 students in 125 different countries, 8 different courses around the web. So, pretty much established in my teaching, established in the feedback that we've built out in penny stock. But would love to just let you guys know more about the stock market. So as I was going on before, you can see that penny stocks are just a portion of different stocks. You see Netflix here, Facebook, Bank of America. A stock is a portion of that. And these companies, what they do is that they'll put a portion of their company up for sale in the public market, which is, as you know, is a stock market, NASDAQ, all the different kind of exchanges that you must have heard of, New York Stock Exchange, all these different exchanges where people can buy and sell their shares of stock. Don't know what this is. This is a real-time connection. I'll go into that later. You don't have to worry about that right now, but let me move this up actually. So what we can do here is we can actually filter the prices. So I can show you all of the actual stock prices that actually kind of fit into the penny stock world. So right here, and what I like to do is go into percent change just to see the amount of money that you can make. And actually, let me put in another filter. One thing I'll let you guys know off the bat, and you might not understand it if you're not into active trading, but I never trade sub penny stocks. Right? Anything under 1 cent is a sub penny stock, and that's just too risky. So I usually filter it like this. But look at this. These are all different penny stocks available for trade. And if you implemented our strategy and if you traded them right, this right here shows the amount of gain that you could have made, or the percentage change in money. So essentially what this means is, so I'm just going to move this out. What this means is if you were to trade this stock today, Bank of America, WTS, CLB, which is probably an extension of theirs, if you were to trade this stock, you say you invested $1,000 or $5,000 or any amount of money, even a few $100s, you would have gotten a 68% gain on your money. And that's why penny stocks are insane, because in one day you could almost double your money or get 1.5 times your money. So if you were to make like 1,000, it would come out to about $1,680. So you can make $680 in the span of, this probably happened in just one day, right? That type of money and returns you won't see anywhere else. And the way it happens is through a systematic manner of understanding how the stock market works and what mechanics are going on. And that's what we teach at In Penny Stock. And that's what this video series of videos I'm going to put out on YouTube, on the In Penny Stock podcast, that's what they're all going to be discussing. And so the good thing about it is because it's such a low investment, right? This stock is only 87 cents or 85 cents. So you can purchase a large amount of it, right? Even if you have a few $100s, you can purchase multiple shares of this, and you would have gotten this 62% gain. And look how many. This is on a daily basis. This is just a normal day. And actually, by the end of the day, there'll be even higher gains and runners. And because we're in a bull market, it's an incredible kind of time to be involved in the stock market. And I'm going to break down for you in the future videos what each of these means, what this software is, but I just wanted to give you a nice introduction into the world of penny stocks. And let me just, before I end this video, let me talk a little bit about why people are a bit skeptical of penny stocks. So before the movies, such as like Boiler Room and Wolf of Wall Street and all that, the reason penny stocks in general, you'll be thinking, why does the government allow this? What's going on with penny stocks? And the reason for that is because with penny stocks, what happens is they just lack regulation, right? So with public companies, Bank of America, Netflix, Amazon, Facebook, Google, all the ones you hear on CNBC or those financial websites and TV shows, these are massive companies that are required to show transparently all of their financial statements. So every quarter and almost every month and every year, they're required to put out exact amounts of information on their financial statements, on what the company is doing, the risks, who's involved. So you can literally look at the annual report, or the SEC word for it is 10K, of a public company, and you'll be able to understand the entire business model. They lay out everything about the business, everything you need to know, everything that's good, everything that's bad, everything related to the stock itself. And this is also just another great website for you to track stocks and cryptocurrencies, but the most active stocks. Yahoo Finance, you'll be seeing this a lot in my future videos too. But in general, the cons of it is that penny stocks don't have to release any information. They don't have to be transparent about their financials. And a lot of the times, as you saw in Wolf of Wall Street, these penny stocks might not even be legitimate companies. They might just be small ideas for financing purposes. But the way that we here at In Penny Stock profit off of penny stocks is not because we believe in the idea. Never, if there's one rule that you get away from watching these videos or anything, is that never believe in the story, the company, the product of a penny stock. All right, and believe me, I'm a optimist, but just you got to be smart about this. All of these penny stocks are just 99%. Okay, again, nothing is absolute. 99% of these penny stocks are all just schemes. And you don't want to be involved in any penny stock scheme ever, but you can stand on the outside and look how it's traded legally on the public market and take advantage of the stock gains and declines, all right? And you can be part of these people that trade. This isn't a penny stock, but here, these lower price stocks, you can make sure that you can take advantage of being involved in these gains. And with penny stock trading, you can do a mix of either day trading, which is watching the screen from 9:30 to 5, 9:34, depending on whatever time zone you're in, on a daily basis, or you can also do swing trading, which is where you hold the stock for maybe a few days, few weeks maximum. But all of these are short-term trading. In other videos, I'm going to talk about dividend stocks, REITs, other long-term stock trading investment strategies. But today, I just wanted to cover penny stocks, the pros, why they're important and relevant in 2018, and just the cons, why they have the stigma behind them. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I'm about to start doing a remake of all my prior videos just to update them. So if you're interested in learning more about how to trade stocks, definitely click the link below and you can get access to our full In Penny Stock video library, which actually let me showcase here for anyone who hasn't seen it. We've done some renovations. We have a great head of curriculum and content, so you can learn how to start investing in stocks and get coaching on it as well. So really great platform for you to be able to start trading if this is something of interest to you. Fortunately, it's allowed me to changed my life, and hope that can be provided to you too. If you want more free videos, you can just go on to inpennystock.com and click on free videos, and there's a whole array of different videos, and we're also building out different softwares. But if you do want one-on-one coaching from me, click the link below, and we can start talking more about that. And finally, just want to give a appreciative shout out to Media Solutions, which is actually the marketing agency that we've been working with that is allowing us to operate in their studio. And so just going to showcase that too. But again, this is Mubarak from In Penny Stock, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.